Hello friends, today's recipe is Brown Onion Pulao or Sindhi Bhuga Chawar. This Sindhi style pulao is packed with flavors of caramelized onions and spices. This one pot pulao is excellent to rustle up if you are low on vegetables or time. Bhuga Chawar can be paired excellently with raita or aloo tuk. So let's begin making my brown onion pulao or Bhuga Chawar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.